Here's one I've had for a while. It's a Tatung. I think it's a 9-inch or 8-inch. No, 9-inch table fan. This is the different model, the high torque one. I have those blue bladed ones, but this one I got. I think this is like my first vintage fan I ever got. So I've kept it all these years. I was gonna sell it in the past, but I decided not to. So I just put some oil in it. I haven't greased the gearbox. I haven't taken it apart yet, so I'll have to do that soon. Here it is on low. This thing had a ton of balloon string on the shaft when I first got it, and I'm surprised it even ran well. Usually the bearings on these things are gone, but this one actually the bearings were in good shape. So that's 0.47 amps on high. And it's actually very quiet. It moves a decent amount of air. Not a ton, but still a good amount. Yeah, it's about 35 watts. And the thing that sucks is that when I was a kid, I broke this on accident trying to pull it off. So I gotta figure out, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Maybe these rubber bands or something to hold it. Something like a compression. I do need to go through the gearbox. It is, and add some power washers. It is kind of loud when it's all sitting. And it's yellowed too. It's not supposed to be this dark of a yellow. It's more of a beige. So I didn't know that at first until I noticed. Hey, I was like, wow, this is a lot more yellow than I thought. Well, there's a part of the plastic that isn't exposed or hasn't been exposed to the sunlight. I had this thing for years. I used to use it all the time. Probably will keep this one for a long time. I actually like these a lot. I had 3, not this version, but I had 2 others that were blue. The small ones I really liked. But I sold those. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.